Oh boy, I'm so hungry. Aren't you guys?
I'm starving.
There's a vending machine.
Beep, boop, boop, boop. Dang it, no snacks. Hi. So today our guest star is Ashley Jackson.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Hi. So we're gonna ask you a few questions about Seward High School's vending machine. What do you think about it?
I think right now it's kind of useless because there's absolutely nothing in there and there hasn't been something in there for a while. So if no one's going to do anything about it, I think that it should be removed.
Should be removed. All right. The student council is thinking of either filling it with snacks or getting rid of it, so it's not just being useless here. Here's some pros and cons of the vending machine. Some pros: it makes good money. Snacks. Everyone loves good snacks. Traveling sports teams would be able to get food from it, and sports or clubs that practice after school would be able to get an after practice snack. Some cons though: it has very, very strict nutritional value rules about the snacks that can be put in it. So like nothing, no fruit snacks, no candies or anything like that. It's a huge mouse attracting thing. So it would have sticky traps in it and have to be checked multiple times a week to make sure that like rodents aren't eating the food in it. It cannot compete with the school nutrition services, so like it wouldn't be able to run during calorie break and it wouldn't be able to run during lunch, which is like the main times when you want food. So now hearing pros and the cons, what do you think? Get rid of it, use it?
I feel like it would be a good idea to use it because then it allows people to, have snacks because snacks are amazing. But at the same time, there are a lot of cons that I don't think that go against the school. I feel like one thing is maybe not having a place in here, but like if you had a place in the cafeteria, maybe just like the location.
Okay. So what do you guys think of the vending machine in the comments?
I didn't know we had one.
I think that it's really pointless.
Okay. Do you think we should use it, like put snacks in it, or get rid of it?
Fill it with jerky.
I think we should put snacks in
Put
it.
snacks in it.
M&M.
What do you think now?
I don't think it's a good idea.
How about you?
Jerky. Solid pro.
I don't think that like there will be enough profit to like make up for the fact, and like the only like allowed snack it sounds like is like vegetables and fruit, which will go bad, and then we'll have so many more mice. And teachers are already so freaked out about mice.
Okay. So what do you guys think of the vending machine in the comments?
Unnecessary.
I don't think it's unnecessary. I think it's like necessary to have it because like I want candy and I want like snacks, to like snack on the middle of like between periods, like instead of going way upstairs to the breakfast, whatever,
I think it's unnecessary to keep it that way without nothing in it.
So do you think we should use it or get rid of it?
So should you use it?
Yeah.
Use it? Okay. So what do you think now?
I think it's still we should use it.
Still should use
Yeah,
it?
as I said before, I think it's like very necessary because it's like gonna be like so useful. Like after practice for me, after cheer practice, I'm like starving and like
and then
want something.
you have to
eat.
just go over there and take your snack and then go over here and take your water bottle home with you.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think of the vending machine in the comments?
I think that it would be nice if it actually had food in it.
So what do you think now about the vending machine? Get rid of it or still use it?
I don't know. Well, it sounds like you wouldn't really be allowed to have any food in it. So, I mean, that might be a problem. But I think it'd still be nice if it actually had food in it to eat.
Through interviewing our fellow students, we learned that most students do want to see the vending machine back in use. Below this video is a poll. Answer if you want it or not. Thanks.
This message is approved by John Moriarty.